Dear brothers and sisters, I welcome you all to hear and see this video message. In this video, I am going to explain the good books to know about water issues and challenges in India. In these water issues, I compiled 12 books for this subject that I given in the description. In this video, I given the name of the book for water issues and the publisher and author and price and pages. First book for water issues in India is Let There Be Water, Israel's Solution for a Water-Starved World by Seth M. Segal, pages 320, publisher St. Martin Publishing Group. Drinking Water Security in Rural India, Dynamics, Influencing Factors and Improvement Strategy by M. Dinesh Kumar, Nitin Basai, Saurabh Kumar, pages 192, publisher Springer Nature, Singapore. Water supply for the urban poor in Indian cities and issues and challenges, pages 362, PR Publishing Corporation, editors Abha Lakshmi Singh, Salega Jamal. Drinking Water Quality Assessment and Management by Suresh Kumar Gupta, IC Gupta, publisher Scientific Publishers, pages 273. Water Crisis in India by G.R. Gupta, rupees 795, pages 424. Atlantic Publishers and Distributors Private Limited. Emerging Water Insecurity in India, Lesson from an Agricultural Advanced State, pages 324. Cambridge Scholars Publishing. Water Governance Challenges and Prospects, pages 368, publisher Springer Nature, Singapore, editors Amarjit Singh, Avinash C. Dayagi, Dibangar Saga. Water Security in India, Hope, Despair and the Challenge of Human Development by Vandana Asthana, Ashok Chandra Sugla, publisher Bloomsbury Academic. இந்தியாவின் நீர்மனிதன் ராஜேந்தர் சிங், ஆதர் ஜகாதா, சத்யா என்டர்பிரைசஸ் பப்ளிஷிங், சூளைமேடு, rupees 270, pages 220. நீர் by books and others contributor, rupees 60. நீராதிபத்தியம், மாட் விக்டோரியா பார்லா, ஆசிரியர் சா சுரேஷ், தமிழில், pages 248, rupees 225, எதிர் வெளியீடு பொள்ளாச்சி. நீலத்தங்கம், தனியார் மயமும் நீர் வணிகமும், ஆதர் ரா முருகவேல், பாரதி புத்தகாலயம், rupees 70.